Hello, in today's video I just want to share with you all what's in our May morning basket. So in May we're going to be doing a little insect creepy crawlers spiders unit study. So this first 2 pages of this book is what we'll be reading every morning, and this little book came from the Dollar Tree. This is my first book of prayers, all things great and small. So that's that first item. Then we have this book, which I'll be reading to my son. This is A Very Hungry Caterpillar, and it's a book about the life cycle of a butterfly. But my son lately has been really liking books like this, where he can look at the pictures and kind of read the story back to me. So he really likes this one. He likes the pages where it starts talking about the food. So he'll go, oh, he ate an apple, he ate pears, he ate plums, and he'll read it to me like that. So that's for him. Now, May 1st is apparently Mother Goose Day. So I pulled out our Mother Goose book. This is one book that I had when I was a child. So it's a really old copy. It just has the classic Disney characters, and then it has the little Mother Goose little nursery rhymes. So we'll be reading this. And then for our unit study, I have this item. This is Mad About Spiders, Bugs, and Other Insects. It came from Scholastics Canada. And it's really a nice book, and it has lots of details, and we can learn about these creepy crawlers. Lots of information in these. And then because there's a couple things happening in May, I pulled out some books to go along with that. So in May there is a holiday called Cinco de Mayo. So I have this one here. This is Living in Mexico, so a book about Mexico, just for a little bit of geography and learning about Mexico. So there's that item. And then I have this item. This is Splat Standy's Worldwide Adventures, The Amazing Mexican Secret. So just a fun little chapter book. And then Mother's Day is also coming up as well. So I have these two books. This is Just Me and My Mom. And then I have Just Grandma and Me. And then here in Canada, we celebrate Victoria's Day. So I have Who Was Queen Victoria, and I picked this up at an Indigo store, but just talks about Queen Victoria's life. So I'll be reading this to my son as part of our little history lesson. And then in this basket as well, I have this book. This is The Very Busy Spider. So talking about, this little spider. I love the illustrations in this book. It's so cute. But that's another read aloud. And then when I'm reading those books to my son, I have my son's little pencil pouch here. It's got his crayon, dry erase markers, pencil crayons, a little sharpener for that. And then he can work in either his springtime coloring book and just color some pages. This coloring book came from the Dollarama. And then also, the last item I have in here is his little binder I put together. So I put these sheets that I wanted him to work on in those sheet protectors. So this is just tracing his name and the first letter of his name. And then this I did in PhotoGrid, so I just removed the colors from the names and he can trace inside the letters. And then I just have these worksheets. These are the same worksheets that I had for April. Some of them are just, spring animals, but they had like some bugs and butterflies, so I just left these in here for him. This I will be showing in our do-it-yourself activities. I just made this in PhotoGrid, and then this is talking about symmetry, so my son will just draw the shapes of the insects there. And then I have that. So, and then here I have some more spring-like counting. And then this page is just matching. I made this also in PhotoGrid using stickers. So just matching the little like bird to bird. And then I did them facing opposite ways and different sizes as well. So he's not just matching. He has to actually look at what the picture is and then find the correct match. And then I just have these little journal pages I write his name for him, and then he draws a picture, and then I write whatever he tells me he did in the picture. And I do hand over hand with him to help him write his name. So that's what is in our May morning basket. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.